Do you know many people are having trouble with switching modes on their G-Shock? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Mode button. Press the Mode button to begin cycling through the watch's functions. Step 2. Identify modes. Look for visual indicators as you pass through functions like timekeeping, alarm, or stopwatch. Step 3. Select function. Stop pressing when you reach the desired function you want to use. Step 4. Adjust settings. Use function-specific buttons to adjust settings, like setting an alarm or stopwatch timing. Step 5. Confirm changes. Press the Mode button again to save changes and return to regular display. With these simple steps, you should now be able to switch modes smoothly on your Casio G-Shock. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Casio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.